Hello and welcome to the Biz Turnkey webinar. Over the next few minutes, I'll be showing you an entirely new business concept, one that allows you to have your own business. Now listen closely, a business without overhead, employees, or massive personal risk. We've developed a proven system to create cash flow for you without the normal headaches of a business. My name is Cody Ramsey, a co-owner of Biz Turnkey, based in Phoenix, Arizona. Stay tuned and see this remarkable hybrid business model. It's not necessarily for everyone, but for those that want to generate a steady cash flow without the normal problems of running a business day to day, this could be the start of living the life you've always wanted. Let's get started. We all know that owning a business is one of the few ways to achieve financial success. A business can open the door to long-term financial gain as you work to create a valuable asset, but it can be a great way to go broke too. Business, for all of its advantages, is just plain risky. Let's look at some of the facts about small businesses, both the good and the bad. The numbers are clear. With 27 million small businesses in the United States, small business is extremely important to job and wealth creation, yet half fail within the first 5 years. There are a combination of reasons, from lack of capital to poor execution, and all reasons in between. In 2008 alone, not a good year financially, in retrospect, nearly as many failed as started. This is not to put a damper on your enthusiasm, just to point out that traditional business models have a great deal of built-in risk, and that is one of the elements we strive to minimize here at Biz Turnkey. For there are many good reasons to have your own business. Here are a few of the more obvious advantages. And this is a tough list to beat. We all want to be in charge of our lives and create something of value. And who wants to report to a boss every day? And best of all, we all want to make some decent money, and in most cases, a lot of money. And that's okay. I know that money is not an end in itself for many of you, but I can say that money gives you options, and that the most important option in my book is to live life on your own terms. To be fair, there are problems and risks with a traditional business. The earlier numbers highlighted this fact. A lot of this has to do with the big front-end investment necessary to launch a business, and of course sustaining that business until it catches hold. Major cost can be buying or leasing a location, investing in inventory of goods. If you are selling merchandise, then there are the employees. Even if the family is pitching in, there are costs, management, quality control, sick days, the list goes on. Also, there can be substantial advertising and marketing expenses to get your customers to find you and your business. And we could add many more expenses you have to cover, but these are the big ones. The bottom line is you have significant dollars at risk when you start a new business, which have to be paid back before you can start to make a real profit. It can take years. Then there's the online business. You don't have to stay long on the internet until you are assaulted with programs on how to make money on the internet. And it's true, you can make money on the internet and online. But the fact is, most people making money online are showing others how to do it. The end result is that perhaps 3% of people who try actually make money this way. Why? It takes some marketing or tech savvy, the willingness and persistence to learn, and a system you can make work. Oh, and did I mention products or services to sell? Yes, there are many products you can sell as an affiliate. So you don't have to create them, but this is not as easy as it looks. For most of us, this is a different world. Many try to make it work, but in reality, few succeed. Moving on. Don't forget, direct marketing companies acquire customers usually by having representatives do the selling. But you have to work it like anything else, and it involves recruiting others to join your organization. Plus, there's usually a product or service you have to sell, which is where the money comes from. The best aspect of direct marketing is the creation of residual income. This simply means doing something one time and getting paid for it again and again. Think of the recording artist who makes a recording once, then makes money every time that song is purchased. Finally, let's look at the franchise model. A franchise is purchasing a known and proven business system, like a McDonald's. The products and business model are proven, and many people have had success utilizing these systems. But you have to pay a hefty fee for the good ones and share a portion of the fees in exchange for support and advertising. The rewards are great, but the cost is high, and you have to run the business on an ongoing basis. That means every day. We have gone over 4 major business types: the traditional storefront business, the online business, direct marketing, and finally the franchise model. We've seen that there are advantages and disadvantages to each kind. Some are more costly, some are more risky, and some require enormous effort to get off the ground. But what if there was another option? The option I would like to show you is one that has the best aspects of our 4 business types. Yet it emphasizes, let me say that, yet it eliminates or minimizes the worst aspects. Now, you may recall my earlier reference to the hybrid business format. It is an option that seeks to minimize risk. This is really significant. Keeps the cost of entry at a reasonable level, does away with employees, so no headaches there, no inventories, best of all, no direct selling, no orders to fulfill, so your kitchen table is free of boxes. It provides a rapid return on your initial investment. We project less than a year for that return. How would you like to have paying customers from the day you start your business? Residual income. So expect to keep running, or expect to keep getting paid on an ongoing basis. That's a better way to say it. And of all of this based on a proven, established business. This may sound too good to be true, but it isn't. In fact, my partner and I are doing this already. So it is a proven system. This is what we offer to you at Biz Turnkey. We've created what we call a hybrid business. It is designed to take advantage of the best attributes of other business types and minimize the less desirable aspects. For instance, we provide a valuable, proven, and in-demand product, much like the traditional storefront business does. There is an online aspect to the business, but it is all done for you, so there is no technology to master. After all, that's how we got you here. It utilizes the greatest benefit of direct marketing, which is ongoing residual income and override commissions. Like the franchise, we have a ready-to-go, proven-to-work business with all systems and operations complete and ready to go, all in one package. And as I said before, there's no inventory to buy in store. You don't have to sell anything to anyone. But I do bet you'll tell your friends about this at some point. After all, a little bragging's okay. But again, no employees you have to manage or hire and fire. This is so simple. You may wonder why you didn't think of it first. But behind the scenes, we have put a lot of work into creating this opportunity. First of all, we've partnered with a well-established, world-class direct marketing company. The company we chose does the heavy lifting in terms of acquiring the customers. Our primary company has used TV infomercials for years to acquire new customers. This has been working effectively for many years. We then purchase the profit-sharing rights to the customers that they have acquired by simply reimbursing their cost to acquire the customer via the infomercial. When we get these customers, they are already purchasing the products on a monthly basis. The company continues to process all of the orders, ship their products, and in the end, you receive a commission. The initial group of customers establishes the foundation of your new business. That is your starting point on day one of your new business. Best of all, they're already churning out commissions that go into your pocket. As you know, we cannot guarantee how fast you will recoup your startup cost. But we have an example we'll be happy to share with you that shows a complete payback of the original startup costs in just 9 months. Compare that with any other business you can think of. After that, positive cash flow is yours for you to do with as you please. If you think this is exciting, just take a look at the second part of our offer. This is optional, but you don't want to miss this part. We provide you with a ready-to-go, customized website so you can attract even more customers to your business. It is automated, so you don't have to do a thing. The company will process all new orders. Now, here's the best part. Along with your website comes 2 more people in your business organization just like you. And each of them has a group of customers just like you did. But please note, this is not a multi-level marketing structure. Now, I know this sounds complicated, so let's break it down. Currently, in 2012, you would start with 159 customers when you begin your business. Then you get 2 more people just like you who also start with 159 customers. Now, we provide those with your website. This gives you an organization of customers of 159, your initial group, plus 1 more with 159 customers and 1 more with 159 customers. That gives you a grand total of 479 customers in your new business. That's triple your initial group. And as you will see, this option is at a fraction of the initial cost. And I'll explain that when we talk later. You will earn commissions on your original group of 159 and override commissions on the 2 new groups as well. Do you have any idea what cash flow like this can do for you? Just think of the possibilities. Perhaps an early retirement, or that special trip you have wanted to take, or maybe just help with college for the kids. And for some, the ability to leave a legacy of support to the family is what you've been after. But fill in your own want or need. Let your imagination go wild. This all sounds so good, you may be asking. Why are we sharing what could be a cash cow for us? It's really simple. We're in the same business. We want to grow our business and get more overrides too. As you profit from your turnkey business, we profit too. It's the ultimate win-win. Some additional thoughts. We spoke of getting an initial group of 159 customers. I know some of you are thinking, why stop there? The answer is, you don't have to. You can get as many customers as you want. Now, that's amazing. So there is virtually unlimited growth potential. Also, you can assume that the 2 people in customer list that come with your website will want to do the same thing that you've just done. That is to acquire a website and 2 additional customers for their business as well. The result, your organization can grow very large and you participate in those profits as well. In this type of business, the individual commissions are small, but with the large numbers of customers, the paydays are significant. Okay, that's the overview of this exciting business. We're up and running and we're ready to start your business with you. How do you get started? It's very simple. As soon as this webinar is over, pick up your phone and call me, Cody Ramsey, at the numbers shown on the screen. Now, depending on the hour and the time zone, I may not answer your call, so please leave a message. It will go to voicemail. Please leave me a message. I do return all phone calls. We do not have a big telemarketing staff to do all this. We want to keep it simple and profitable and exclusive. Here is what you can expect. There is, of course, a capital requirement to start your business. I'm not going to mention it here simply because that is a dynamic situation. The numbers can change slightly over time. I don't want to misquote and I don't want to mislead you. But I am happy to share those numbers with you when you call. Your business and initial customers will be in place within just a few short days. If you choose the personalized business system option, we will have your site in place for you within 14 working days. Then, finally, your 2 additional customer units will be in place within the next 14 working days. That's it. I urge you not to wait for this amazing opportunity. But the sooner you start, the sooner and faster you will have a growing business organization. Not only is this the cash flow that you have been searching for, it is the start of a new life. One free of financial worry or concerns about the future. So call me now or send an email. I will get back to you in the order the calls or messages are received, and that will be the order of placement in your new organization for business. Your placement position can contribute to the speed of growth of your growing business organization. The one with the biggest organization is the largest money earner. That's kind of common sense. So please call or email me today. I will be happy to answer all of your questions and get you enrolled and making money today. Come on, you deserve this, and so does your family. Oh, and please note, the specifics of this offer are subject to change without notice. We're not providing legal or financial advice here, so consult a professional if you have questions of this nature. Thanks for listening. I look forward to your joining the Biz Turnkey family of moneymakers. Thank you.